Clay killed your old man.
What?
Clay killed him.
That's bullshit.
I swear.
You don't. Sit. You're gonna die at the gavel.
I get to say anything here?
My old man gets to say anything before you blew a hole in his chest? Sit down!
Somebody's been lying to you.
Having Donna killed. That a lie?
Jesus Christ, that's history, man. Stall bending the truth. That score is settled.
No, it's not! You sit down! Sit down!
Hope! Put it down. Please, Hope. Don't make me kill you.